Hello, lovely viewers, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that's been highly requested, the Alpilean review. We're going to take a deep dive into this fat-burning supplement and explore its unique approach to weight loss. So, make sure you stick around to the end to get all the information you need. Alpilean is a fat-burning supplement that focuses solely on a process known as thermogenesis. But what exactly is thermogenesis? Well, it's the process by which our bodies convert fat cells into energy to keep us warm, and Alpilean's formula is designed to harness this process to help you burn more fat. The premise behind Alpilean is fascinating. By increasing your internal body temperature, it encourages your body to burn more fat to provide that warmth. It's like turning up the heat in your body's furnace, making it work harder to melt those stubborn fat cells. To achieve this, Alpilean has sourced a combination of herbs that have a historical track record of helping people maintain their body temperature, especially during harsh winter months. I have put the Alpilean official link in this video description below with the special discount along with 60 days money-back guarantee. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of the science behind Alpilean's thermogenic effects. Thermogenesis isn't a new concept, it's a well-documented phenomenon in the world of weight loss. When your body's temperature increases, it does indeed burn more calories and fat to maintain that heat. However, not all supplements that claim to boost thermogenesis actually deliver on their promises. To determine if Alpilean is different, we need to explore the ingredients in their formula and see if they genuinely have the potential to raise your internal temperature. Some of the herbs they've included are known for their potential thermogenic properties. But, as always, it's essential to approach any supplement with a critical eye. We'll also look at the potential side effects and any contraindications, so you can make an informed decision about whether Alpilean is right for you. Now, let's hear from people who have actually tried Alpilean. I have put the Alpilean official link in this video description below with the special discount along with 60 days money-back guarantee. We've gathered feedback from a diverse group of individuals who've incorporated this supplement into their daily routine. We'll discuss their experiences, the results they've achieved, and any challenges they've faced along the way. It's important to remember that everyone's body is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. Hearing these real-life stories will give you a more comprehensive perspective on the potential benefits and drawbacks of Alpilean. In conclusion, Alpilean's focus on thermogenesis is intriguing, and the science behind it is promising. However, it's crucial to approach any supplement with caution and consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. We hope you found this in-depth review informative and valuable. Remember, the journey to weight loss and better health is a personal one, and it's always a good idea to do your research and make choices that align with your specific goals and needs. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of Alpilean. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. And if you have any questions or would like us to review any other products, feel free to leave a comment below. We'll see you in the next video.